One of the key things we believe in as part of the whole joining this whole effort is that Power Africa is a unique force within the U.S. organization itself. Power Africa lends a key strength in the sense that they look forward to the lightening up of the African continent, and for us being part of the U.S. Pavilion is only the best way we feel we can lend that effort into the overall objective growth or the goal of Power Africa to light up Africa. And with our technology and our innovative ways of doing things, we believe that working closely with Power Africa, it will drive us or will get us into almost every aspect of the African continent. So coming to South Africa, which is one of the biggest economies in the continent, is a true way of going into the African continent as a whole. One of the key things we believe in the African continent, and one of the key things we believe about our technology is the old school thinking of how power plants should be built in terms of big, massive power plant is kind of old school. The new school is more decentralized power generation, decentralized distribution system. And that matches up with our own development or the growth with the way people are situated within the African continent. They are sparsely located in various parts of the country and in the continent as a whole. And we believe that with a decentralized power generation system, we can easily feed power into various aspects of the African continent and meet people where they are, and not necessarily get power to run from a remote location to a very far location somewhere else where there will be need for heavy cost in power distribution, there will be heavy cost in the generation itself, because when one big power plant goes down, a whole lot of people will suffer for it. But if you've got a distributed or decentralized power generating system, if one power plant goes down, it's only a small cluster that's affected. So we believe in the decentralization of power generation, and that matches up with the population density and with the way people or groups of people are located in the African continent. So we believe that with that, we would match up perfectly fine. One of the painful things that we must admit is that power is in short supply in the African continent. Power is greatly needed. For us, we believe in satisfying that need. We believe in providing power to the continent because it's big. We believe it's more of a pull than it is a push. So we are not pushing for power here, it's the continent that's pulling for power, and which to us, it's a low-hanging fruit. Not just only a low-hanging fruit, but it's also contributing to the growth of the continent as a whole. And we believe that getting power here is crucial for the continent. And with the way the continent is set up, where people are not located in large clusters, they're located in small clusters, and our niche is a small, decentralized power generating system. We feel Africa is more or less calling our name, and we believe that there's a lot of success to be made in the African continent. And that's why we're here in this country. The African continent is not as far developed as the rest of the other world when it comes to clean technology or clean energy technology. And we believe there's a transition from where we've been to where we want to be. The transition would see us moving away from the dirtier fuels with the transition fuel like natural gas all the way to clean technology. All of that is all a process and is a growth. And I believe with the advancement of energy storage, with the advancement in renewable energy, all those clean energy technology are available. And the interesting thing is, in the African continent, they have that natural energy in abundance. And that is something that is that we can tap into and will provide real, true energy to the African continent.